In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Klaviyo to Shopify. First, make sure you're signed into your Klaviyo account and you're on the main dashboard. From here, look to the left-hand sidebar and scroll to the bottom. Click Integrations. This is where all your connections live, and it's the easiest place to manage what data flows into Klaviyo. On the Integrations page, click Explore Apps. That opens the Klaviyo Marketplace, which lists officially supported connections. In the search bar at the top, type Shopify. You'll see the official Shopify integration appear. Click it to open the app's page, then click Install. This kicks off the guided setup inside Klaviyo. You'll land on an installation screen with a few required fields. The most important is your Shopify store URL. Enter it in the full format, like your store name, myshopify.com, not your custom domain. Double-check spelling here. One character off will block the connection. Make sure you're logged into Shopify with an account that has permission to install apps, ideally an owner or admin role, so you can approve the integration without errors. Depending on your setup, you may also see options for how Klaviyo should handle subscriber collection and data sync. Choose your default subscriber list thoughtfully. This is where new signups from Shopify will go. If you already have a primary newsletter list in Klaviyo, use that to keep your contacts organized. Review any consent or tracking settings presented, so events like viewed product, added to cart, and placed order flow into Klaviyo for segmentation and automation. Once those fields look good, click Connect to Shopify. You'll be redirected to Shopify to review permissions. This page outlines what the Klaviyo app can access, such as orders, customers, and store data needed for marketing and analytics. Approve the installation to continue. If you're prompted to sign in, use your Shopify admin credentials and then complete the approval. After approval, you'll return to Klaviyo and see the integration connecting. The first sync can take a few minutes, especially if your store has a lot of data. You can monitor the status from the integrations area. It should show as connected when complete. A quick way to validate is to open your storefront in another tab, view a product, or add an item to the cart, then check Klaviyo for new events appearing shortly after. If something doesn't connect, verify your store URL, confirm you have install permissions, and make sure pop-up blockers didn't interrupt the redirect. Also ensure the same Shopify store isn't already linked to a different Klaviyo account. And that's it. Your Klaviyo and Shopify are now connected and ready to power your email and SMS marketing.